everyone to the inaugural episode of Sports of Love. I'm Rikit.
And I'm Johan. Today, we're going to be diving into the exciting world of cricket.
And I'm Yashi. Get ready for a fun exploration of how cricket transformed from a simple pastime into a billion-dollar global sensation. To kick things off, let's set the stage. Cricket is not just a game, it's a cultural phenomenon.
Hold on. Isn't this cricket we're talking about? Not football?
Huh, I forgot. Fair point. So let's pad things up. Let's give our listeners a quick insight on cricket. Johan, you're the cricket buff here. Why don't you take it away?
Absolutely. So, cricket originated in England in the late 1500s and early 1600s. It's played with a bat and ball on a large field, and the objective of the game is to score runs. Think of it like baseball, but with its own characteristics and traits.
See, Johan, we do not care. So, Johan, what do you mean by unique twist?
Like, there are different formats that cricket are played in, and each one adds its unique twist. Like, which defines the length of the match, or the jersey people are wearing, the ball which is played in, etc.
Oh, you mean that all those fancy uniforms, and by the fact, the formats, like the length of each match.
Exactly. There are different formats: test matches, one day internationals, and T20s. Each format has its own charm and speciality. Test cricket is a traditional format that tests the skills and endurance of players. One day internationals are a bit smaller than tests and easier to play. It lasts a whole day and also requires a lot of skill to play. And T20 has really taken off in popularity because of many leagues and the fast paced game of the thrilling action.
Speaking of cricket and the T20, let's talk about IPL, Indian Premier League. It's one of the most popular leagues in the whole of the world. It's very popular. People follow it everywhere. Absolutely. The IPL began in 2008 and it has completely transformed the sport. It's not just about cricket anymore. It's about glamour, music, and cheerleaders, of course. It's carnival atmosphere, guys.
And we can't forget that wild auction, guys. Like, players get sold for millions of dollars overnight.
Right, some players become millionaires overnight. For example, Rishabh Pant was sold for an astonishing 3.21 million in 2025. Can you believe that? The IPL has really made cricket appealing for young audience. It's fast-paced and exciting, perfect for a quick 2 or 3 hours of watch. You can also catch a game after work, school, and it's always packed with action.
Plus, fan engagement that is through the roof. Social media is buzzing during matches, allowing fans to interact with players and teams in real life. It's like having a conversation with your favorite athletes while they're on field.
It's amazing on how much the sport has grown. Cricket is now the second most popular sport in the world, just behind soccer. It's a global sensation also.
Great question. The transformation began with the commercialization of the sport in the late 20th century. Broadcasting rights became crucial. Suddenly, matches were accessible to fans worldwide. It opened up a whole new revenue stream.
And with the rise of internet and social media, cricket has reached a global audience. Young talents from unexpected countries are now stars. Just look at the players from Afghanistan like Noor, a bowler who is currently, as of today, holding a purple cap for the IPL. Let's also highlight the role of sponsorships. Major brands jumped in, investing heavily in teams and tournaments, so the popularity of the sport grew to an extent that cannot be unnoticeable. It's a win-win for everyone involved.
Definitely. These sponsorships not only boost the sport financially but also enhances its visibility. Even like events like IPL attract millions of viewers and generate massive revenue. It's become a huge economic engine.
And it's not just about money. Cricket has become an unflying force, brightening countries together, creating a sense of national pride. Speaking of national pride, what's your favorite cricket memory, guys?
I'll never forget the 2011 World Cup final. India versus Sri Lanka. It was thrilling, bro.
Wow.
Under the legendary captain of MS Dhoni, India won, and the whole team paraded around the stadium.
I can feel the excitement. Mine has to be the 2019 World Cup semi-final. England versus New Zealand. What a nail biter. The Super Bowl over had it at the edge at the seat. I was stuck to the TV for that one too. Cricket has truly bring people together. whether it's in stadiums or living rooms. It's like festival every time a big match is on.
And let's not overlook how talent has evolved. Players today are more athletic and skilled than ever. Training, technology, and analytics have completely changed the game. We are seeing players with fitness levels and skills that were unimaginable a few decades ago.
Exactly. Coaches analyze every single movement, and the players are using data to enhance their performance. It's like math meets sports. They're not just athletes, they are data driven professionals. We're in a new era of cricket, of course, guys. And with that, we're seeing more diversity in the game. Women's cricket is start getting more traction now. Women's cricket is truly soaring. The Women's Premier League is a game changer, showcasing the incredible talents and thrilling matches. Athletes like Spriti Mandana and Ellie Perry are inspiring a new generation of fans. The crowd are growing and social media is buzzing like electricity.
It's about time major sponsors are finally stepping in. And women's cricket is not only gaining traction, it's becoming a powerhouse. We are witnessing a historic movement that's enriching the sport for everyone.
And let's not forget the impact of grassroots initiatives. More local leagues and tournaments are being established, giving young players enough chances and opportunities to gain more fan engagement too. Absolutely. With more platforms available, we can bound to see the influx of new talents, which would only elevate the standards of the game.
The future of cricket looks bright as we embrace technologies and training methods. Who knows what records will be broken next, as we have already seen many records like SRH's highest score of 287 in the IPL.
That was the thrilling match I saw, bro.
Yeah, man.
Well, that wraps up of today's episode of Sports Unplugged. We explored cricket's incredible journey from its humble beginning to a billion-dollar industry. Thank you for joining us, folks. Keep celebrating the sports and don't forget to catch a match soon. Until next time, keep the passion alive.
Bye, guys.
Bye.